Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a sale in your Etsy store. And this is great because shoppers can discover your sale in the search, on your listings, and from your shop home. And when you run a sale, your listings will automatically appear under your name section in their own category, which will say on sale. And it's pretty neat because it has its own section where customers could see what's on sale. And hopefully that will help you get more sales in your store. You also want to make sure that you grab my free Etsy SEO guide. It's an 8-page PDF. So if you're currently struggling to get traffic to your shop or you don't know how to use SEO the correct way, you want to make sure that you stick around all the way to the end so you could learn how to get access to this free guide. So let's head over to my computer so I could show you how to set up a special offer. All right, so here we are on my Etsy store. And when you're ready to run the sale, all you're going to do is click on your shop manager. You're going to go to marketing. You're going to go to sales and coupons. And then you're going to go to new special. And you're going to click on run a sale. Now from here, you just have to fill all this out. It's going to ask you, do you want to offer free shipping or percentage? I usually stick to percentage because my store is digital products. And I usually do 10 to 15%. It really depends on how much you want to give and your products. Where is this offer available to? So I put everywhere because I sell digital products, but you could choose the countries that you want to pick from here, from the list. The next one is minimum order to qualify. Do people have to buy 3 listings or 3 orders to get the discount? This is really good for when you sell planners or stickers. I usually don't do it because I have a variety of different things in my store. And then the duration of your sale. So you could have a start date. I'm going to start mine today. And then you can have an end date. I'm just going to end it at the end of the month. Here you could put terms and conditions. This is optional. You could tell the customers this is only for first-time buyers, or whatever terms you want to add. And then you're going to name your sale. The reason why you want to name your sale is because this is for you to measure your data later on. I usually put it monthly. So if I do a sale on August, I will put special for August. That way later on, when I look at the metrics, I know, okay, that was for August. This was for July. These 2 months did really well or didn't do well, or this month did better than that month. Once you're done here, just press continue. From here, it's going to ask you which listings you want to promote. You could do by multiple listings by selecting the name section, or you could do individual if you just want to do one listing. It's really up to you. When I do a sale of this magnitude, I actually do all my stores. So what I do is I just go down the list, click, 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 until I got all of the listings. I only have 93 listings. And then from there, they all have been applied. I go ahead and review my sale to make sure I did this correctly. I did want to offer 15%, none minimum order. This is the date I'm running the promo. All my listings. This is the special, the name of the special. Boom, confirm and create discount. And now your sale is live. Now you could share this directly to Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter, letting your followers know that you have a special. If not, you could just close it out. And if you go back to your homepage now, you're going to see this little category right here. You see how it says on sale? This wasn't here before. So your whatever you have on sale will actually appear here. So if you ever seen someone have that and you're like, how did they do that? That's how they did it. They ran a sale. And when people click on this, it has the 15% off applied. It has the little line there. And then it has the reduction automatically. So they don't have to enter a code. You don't have to worry about anything. And what you could do is you could do like a promotional sale, or do like an ad or boost an ad on Facebook. And you could just say, hey guys, I'm running 15% off of my entire store. Go check it out. And then when people come and buy from you, they don't have to do anything from their end. But this is how simple it is to run a sale on your Etsy store. Let me know in the comments if you have done this before, or if your first time seeing it and you're going to start applying it. And guys, also, if you want to grab the free SEO guide, I will leave the link right below the comments so you guys go ahead and grab it right now. Thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day.